Big up to all my followers, big up to all my fans, big up to all my listeners. Now, today I want to show you something. Maybe you've been trying to find out how you can read the written WhatsApp messages. You have ever opened your WhatsApp and found that something like this. Someone was trying to communicate with you, but he or she deleted the messages, and you'd try to know what he or she was trying to tell you. Now, the tutorial today is about how to read deleted SMSs, WhatsApp SMSs. And now, as we continue, I would like you to succeed to read the written WhatsApp messages. Go to your Play Store, open your Play Store, then you install an app known as WAMAL, WAMAL, like this. You install it. I'm trying to install this one here. We let you install the app like that. It is installing. As you can see, it is installing. I'm installing it in my phone. Then, after installing, you have to open it, let it install. I'm waiting it to complete installing. As you can see, yes, that is the app that you use to read the written WhatsApp messages. If someone sent you an SMS, then he or she deleted, you can use this app to read the SMS. Now, when you install the app, open, then you are supposed to allow the app to notify you like this. Allow. Then you select the apps that you want the app to notify you. For my case, I'll select WhatsApp. I have WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. For my tutorial, I'm using WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. Then continue, but on your case, since you have WhatsApp and it is a WhatsApp that you want to concentrate on trying to get the written messages, just choose WhatsApp, then continue like this. Then the final setup of the app, you have to enable it to allow the backup of your audios, photos, etc. And you have to enable it to read your notification reader. So you enable or you allow that, then enable again. Then like this, you enable it for it to function on your phone. Then go back, then continue like that. Now you are through with allowing the app for it to get the written messages from your WhatsApp. Now, on this case, that is all about the app. I want to show you how it works, how to get the written messages. On my case, I use the two apps to show you how it works. Now, on this case, if someone, let me take my WhatsApp Business app to SMS. I'm SMSing myself. On this case, let me choose this number. Then I type anything else, any can type in hello like that. Then I said, now you know that I've received the SMS, but now if I delete to everyone, then I go back to my real WhatsApp. You know that someone or I have sent as an SMS, but I cannot read it since I have deleted it. Now, if you want to know what was the SMS about, since it is deleted, you cannot see it is where now you go to the installed app, open it, and you find that this is the SMS. This is what the SMS was about. The person who WhatsApped you, he was trying to see this. And that is all about reading the written WhatsApp messages. Now, in case or if you have joined my tutorial, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to get notified whenever or every time I post new tutorial on my YouTube channel. Please go to YouTube, your YouTube, then search Gucema. Gucema, that is my YouTube name, that one. Then search, this is me. Yeah. Then I want you to concentrate on this one. Please click subscribe. When you click subscribe, it will automatically notify you you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll be notified when I post my tutorials, and you'll be ready to watch anytime, everywhere you'll be interested to get my tutorials. That is all about today. I leave you with a lot of thanks, and I urge you please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.